Understanding the phrase, brown noser, in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a colorful and interesting expression in the English language, brown noser. This phrase is used quite often in both casual and professional settings, and understanding its meaning and origin can greatly enhance your grasp of English idioms. So, let's get started and explore what it means to be a brown noser. The term, brown noser, refers to someone who tries excessively to please or impress someone in authority, usually in a way that others perceive as insincere or excessive. It's often used in a negative or mocking tone. Think of someone who always compliments their boss or teacher in an attempt to gain favor, even if it means ignoring their own dignity or the respect of their peers. The phrase, brown noser, has a somewhat colorful and unappealing origin. It's believed to have originated from the idea that someone is so eager to please a person in authority that they metaphorically get their nose dirty, as if they were brown-nosing, or kissing up to that person. While it's a figurative expression, its vivid imagery helps to convey the extent of the sycophancy it describes. It's important to understand the context in which brown noser can be used. This phrase is typically used in informal settings and might be considered rude or unprofessional in formal situations. Here are a couple of examples. I can't believe how much John compliments the boss. He's such a brown noser. She's always the first to volunteer for extra work. A real brown noser. Remember, while it's useful to understand these kinds of expressions, using them requires careful consideration of the social context and relationships involved. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, brown noser. I hope this video has been informative and adds a fun, new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about understanding the cultural and social nuances of expressions. Until our next video, keep practicing and exploring the fascinating world of English idioms.